Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check and close all of the tabs on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are both tabs within Google Chrome as well as the Samsung Internet app or whichever web browser you might use. The first one I'm going to go through just to get it out of the way is Samsung Internet. You probably don't use this, but if you do, you can see those tabs at the very bottom right, that little square with the three. I can tap on that and close out of all of the tabs by just tapping on that little X at the top right here. It's a little fidgety for whatever reason. I can close out of all of them like that. However, most likely, if you're on an Android phone, you're using Google Chrome. So let's hop out of here and instead open up Google Chrome. There are a couple different places that you need to look for those tabs, both in the normal browsing as well as incognito browsing tabs. So you'll be able to see them all by at the very top right, you can see that square with the 4. I can tap on that and it shows me all of my tabs. Now, to remove any of these or close them, I can tap on the little X. Or if I wanted to, I can quickly remove all of these tabs by tapping on the 3 dots at the top right. And then I can hit close all tabs and then close all tabs and groups. However, keep in mind, you might have incognito tabs that are still open. So if I tap on the tabs icon and I tap here to create a new incognito tab and you're in an incognito tab instead, you'll be able to see it'll indicate by that little spy person at the top. So I can swipe over to just the normal tabs and the incognito tabs. You might want to go in there to make sure you don't have any ones lingering around that you need to close out. Now, after you go through this entire process, I would highly recommend managing those tabs in a way that you prefer. So to do that, you can tap on those 3 dots at the top right. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to settings and tap on that. Now within here, all we need to do is scroll down to tabs and tab groups. And you can see one option is move inactive tabs after 7, 14, or 21 days. It says choose when tabs and tab groups are automatically moved to the inactive section. And then you can see after 7 days, it will be moved to inactive. And then after that, it says automatically close inactive tabs will be closed after 3 months. So essentially, after 7 days, they'll put somewhere else in the inactive section, and they won't be taking up any resources on your Android phone. And then after 3 months, they'll just automatically delete it, and you won't need to worry about going in there and manually doing that. You can also choose to archive duplicate tabs as well. And then you can choose to automatically open tab groups from other devices if you choose to prefer that method or not. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.